The most tangible experience that has brought learning from the classroom into the outside world has been my internship at Studio 9. I'm sitting in for recording sessions with artists from Nashville, Los Angeles, and I'm also getting to actually run and set up live performances like the open mic that happens regularly at Studio 9.
I think that everything I've gotten involved on campus has been really helpful in building my resume and helping me to find more connections on campus.
I am heavily involved in some of the work that professors do. So Professor Dan Schustak in the environmental department here on campus conducts bird banding research.
So I've had the opportunity to mentor a variety of different students. I've had a couple of students that I've watched over the 4 years grow from being a very shy individual coming in and not willing to answer questions to becoming a very vocal individual in the classroom.
We are very, very successful with job placements, especially in the local community in the Berkshires.
Every class contributes to how you look at the world, how you approach problems, how you get from point A to point B.
Developing the Essential Needs Center I think it's my proudest thing I've ever done. It is the most rewarding experience, especially because of the impact that it has on every single person on this campus and how highly they talk of it.
As an educator, I've been able to continue to be curious about all the things that I'm curious about in the field and expand my craft.
I've been challenged by my professors to reach my full potential, to do my best, and to keep exerting myself when they know that I have the potential to do so.